Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful dark chocolate pancakes that are low carb, keto diet friendly, gluten free, paleo friendly, everything. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave below, so make sure you check that out when you want to pin, bookmark or save this beautiful pancake recipe. And let's get straight into it and I'll show you how to make them. So these are really easy to prepare. We're going to start by whisking 3 eggs together. Until they're nice and smooth, just like that. I'll just move the whisk aside so it doesn't fall over. And then we're going to add in half a cup of milk. Use any milk that you like. And a half a teaspoon or so of vanilla too. And we're going to whisk that in. Now I'm using stevia as my sweetener of choice. I'm just going to pop a tablespoon in. You might want to use more, less, depending how sweet you want it. And I'm going for 2 tablespoons of beautiful cocoa powder. It smells so rich and delicious. So there's 2 tablespoons in there, and we'll give it a whisk in. Just gently, because the cocoa powder likes to splash everywhere. And make sure it's fully incorporated in, nice and chocolatey. And next, I'm using ground almonds, but you can use almond flour instead. I've got 1 1/4 cups going in. And we'll just give it a final whisk in until we have our pancake batter. Oh, look at that beautiful chocolatey batter. It smells pretty incredible. You know it's ready when bubbles start appearing on the surface. Just make sure it's all nice incorporated. Oh, the smell's incredible. I wish you could smell it. It's so good. Okay, I'm happy with that. And if you want to make these double chocolate pancakes, you can add in some chocolate chips now, or break off a couple of rows of your low carb dark chocolate of choice and just break it in and have little chips of chocolate. But I'm going to keep it plain and simple, beautiful chocolate pancakes. So I'm going to heat up my frying pan, pop in some butter. You could use coconut oil if you want instead. And when it's nice and hot, we've got to make sure it's nice and hot, we're going to drop a tablespoon per pancake. As you can see, there's tons of butter in my frying pan and it's nice and steaming hot, sizzling away. So I'm going to drop a tablespoon per pancake. There we go. It's obviously up to you what size you want your pancakes to be, but a tablespoon per makes these cute little ones. If you want to do 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup, you'll end up with great big beautiful pancakes instead. So I'm going to cook these until they are set on one side, starting to bubble, a little bit happening over there, but I'll give it another 30 seconds, minute or so, and then we'll flip them over. They're smelling so chocolatey. We'll just gently flip one over. Yay! So I flipped all the pancakes over, made a couple more batches. It's having trouble focusing, but I've got a beautiful pile of pancakes over there, lovely chocolate pancakes, which you can enjoy just like this, or top with your favorite pancake topping of choice. Mine is a generous swirl of whipped cream, just like that. It's just perfect. They're dark chocolate pancakes. They're pretty incredible. Definitely, I had a sneaky taste again of one of the others from the multiple batches that I made, and definitely add extra stevia, sweetener, sugar, whatever you like to sweeten them, because they're quite dark, but my family likes them that way. So that is the video for these beautiful chocolate pancakes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give the recipe a try and what other pancakes you'd like me to share in future. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where you'll learn the step-by-step instructions how to make these beautiful pancakes. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.